Model, 66-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO 1.6CDTI 120PS Sportive H1 van, ULEZ compliant. Pairs OR repair needs turbo replacement starstruck. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 128431. MOT, the 11th of May 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Still starts and the engine is perfect. Easy repair for the right person to get this beauty back on the road. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This won't be here long, get in quick. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors.